What up, Rother fam? Okay, we got a paper and we cut it out, ready to glue in our journal. All right, we've been talking about elements. Let's just real quick define an element. An element cannot be broken down into simpler substances. An element cannot be broken Okay, so these elements cannot be broken down into simpler substances. Let's put an exclamation on that. So if we break them down, if we break an element down, all we do is break it up into atoms of that element. All right, now we talked when we did our elements box. Put your thumbs up if you're good. Like, you got that?
I am.
Thumbs up?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, so an element cannot be broken down into simpler substances. It would only be break down into atoms of those substances. Now we talked about this number here. This number is called the atomic number. And remember that this number tells the number of protons the element has and we're also going to write it determines identity. So it determines identity. The atomic number, which is the top number, tells the number of protons the element has. It determines identity. Now, one cool thing about the periodic table is if you can't remember, you will always get a periodic table. If you cannot remember, I don't remember which is the atomic number, which is the atomic mass, the periodic table is literally your cheat sheet. And so you can refer it to it and you go, oh, that number is the atomic number, okay? So use that periodic table to your advantage. All right, we talked about the symbol. Okay, the symbol is an element's abbreviated name. And then you're going to write the first letter is always capitalized. Let me see that, okay? An element's abbreviated name is the symbol. And the first letter is capitalized. Okay, look at me if you got that. Oh, thank you. Okay, I will put this, I will tell you that when I'm done, I will show you the whole thing. Okay, an element's name. Okay, every element has a unique name. So we're going to write every element Every element has a unique name, often named by who discovered it. So sometime later, I'm going to let you pretend you discovered an element and find out what you would name your element. So you can be thinking about that in, between TikToks. Every element has a unique name. It's often named by who discovered it. There's one element called Einsteinium. Who do you think they named that after?
Einstein.
Einstein. Good. Okay, and then last we have the atomic mass. The atomic mass right here tells how many neutrons and protons are in the nucleus. So tells how many protons and neutrons are in Okay, so this tells how many protons and neutrons are in All right, thank you, 8th period. I think I can use this for next class.